Skytech-Geo present 2D Photomap, orthomosaic mapping.
See your project from above, with real color, real scale and half-inch accuracy. Architects, engineers, and developers need reliable site data without delays or costly field surveys. A 2D photomap delivers a georeferenced, high-resolution image of your property. Every pixel contains real coordinates, allowing you to measure areas, distances, and verify setbacks directly on screen.
Ideal for feasibility studies, final design, permitting, urban control, or environmental assessment. One capture, multiple professional uses. Wetland delineation, urban control setback, georeferenced inventory, vectorization. By capturing all available information, you avoid having to return to the site. You use your computer to go there, you go in 3D, and you can measure everything you see.
Skytech-Geo, surveying with vision.